Let's make pizza. Start by stretching out the dough, then poke it all over with a fork. Par bake it at 425 degrees for 7 minutes. Then grate the cheese and chop the onion. Next, drain the pear. Then slice the thick pieces in half lengthwise. Then pat them dry with a paper towel. Chop the bacon. Now season the chicken tenders with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Cook the bacon over medium to medium-high heat until brown and crisp. Then transfer them to a paper towel lined plate. Add the chicken tenders and cook them on both sides for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the chicken, add the onion, and saute it for about 3 minutes. Now cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Time to make the white sauce. Combine yogurt, mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then blend well. This is my favorite part, the toppings. Start by spreading out the white sauce. Then add 2/3 of the mozzarella. Next, add the chicken, bacon, and onion. Follow it up with the sliced pears. Finally, add the rest of the mozzarella. Bake the pizza at 425 degrees for 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is gooey and melted. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.